Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a Macy's online account. Without any further ado, let's start. On your desktop, open your preferred browser and then on the search URL, search for macys.com. Once you press enter, that will lead you to the official page of Macy's, and then at the upper right corner of your interface you will see sign in option. Click on sign in. Then sign in page will load into your interface. If you already have account or if you are registered, you can simply sign in by providing your email and password and click on sign in. But to create a new account, at the right side of your screen you will see create account. Click on create account. And now you will see this interface where you have to enter your first name here and enter your last name. Now under that, enter your email address, and in here create a password using uppercase, lowercase and a number for a strong password, or else you can also go with the one that is suggested if you click on suggest a strong password. Here I'm gonna create my own password. Make sure that your password is 7 to 16 characters and it doesn't contain spaces and or characters such as given here, and make sure it has one uppercase, one lowercase and one numeric. Once you're done with that, scroll down and enter your date of birth and then go down. There you will see my preference. So here, if you want to get email about sales, events, new arrivals and more, check in the first option, or else if you want to get text alert, you can check in second option as well. For that, you have to enter your mobile number, and just below that you will see few options that says select your text. So select what kind of text do you want to receive. Once you're done selecting that, again scroll down and click on create account, and then you will be registered on Macy's. So this is how you can simply create a Macy's online account. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching till the end, and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you on next video.